In this course, we will be going over the different ways we can set up levels in our experiences during the development process to make managing our content easier and clearer. After that, we'll discuss how to utilize the PSO cache system for further improvements. Just like traditional console games, VR games have too much content to be loaded all at once and must be divided up into levels. Doing this on a mobile platform like Quest can be more challenging because there is a limited amount of memory bandwidth compared to PC-driven VR projects, which can make transitions particularly jarring for users. Levels should have all of the resources that you need for that level and none of the extra content that is outside of that level. Take a minute to think about some of your favorite games and describe how you would break them up. One good example for this is Oculus First Steps. Each part of the experience is broken up into its own level, whether it's dancing or playing with a toy rocket. Imagine if we were making a golf game with 18 different holes. We could have one level for all 18 holes, but we wouldn't let the player have the ability to walk from, say, hole 3 to hole 4. Even though we could do this in real life, to have 3 and 4 loaded in the memory at the same time is not a good use of our limited memory. And this is unnecessary unless your game is specifically intended to be open world. Note that open world experiences in VR are very difficult to make performant, and any performance hitch will be visible in the headset and distract the user from the experience. Here's what the levels of our Dart's vertical slice look like in the editor. We don't want to repeat this, but we do want to go over some of the less common steps that will help prep you for working with a larger team. Open level C0_lobby. Then open the levels menu, it's under Windows. You should see that the C0_lobby map doesn't have any sublevels. Now let's move all the meshes in C0_lobby into a sublevel for demonstration purposes. Click on Levels and select Create New. Select Empty Level. Type in C0_lobby sublevel for your sublevel name. Then highlight all the meshes you want to move to the sublevel in the World Outliner. Go back to the Levels menu and right-click on C0_lobby sublevel and select Move Selected Actors to Level. After some processing, all the meshes you have selected will be moved into this sublevel. You can confirm this by toggling with the eye icon to the left of C0_lobby sublevel in the Levels menu. Your meshes will disappear when you make your sublevel invisible. Now programmers, designers, and artists on your team can collaborate simultaneously. Let's talk about the dependency graph. We can discover how things are related using the reference viewer. We'll take a look at BP_style guide, even though it's an asset that has no references in it. This was created to show the different colors and types of comments the author has left throughout the vertical slice. Let's see what happens if we right-click on BP_style guide and select reference viewer. We'll see here that if it had nodes to the right, it would indicate that there are items inside of BP_style guide that we're taking advantage of. If there were nodes to the left, that would mean something is taking advantage of BP_style guide. For another example, open up the reference viewer for C4_game stage. It's under the Darts Maps folder. We can see here that it has a few special circumstances because of the load screen. White lines are direct references, while C4_lobby on the left side has a different color line to indicate a soft reference to C4_game stage. In the top left, we can uncheck Show Soft References and Show Hard References to toggle visibility of these references in the reference viewer. In other words, inside of C4_lobby, there is BP_travel_to, which contains a soft reference to the C4_game stage. Technically, there is no reference to C4_game stage in C4_game lobby, and no reference to C4_lobby from C4_game stage except through the BP_travel_to blueprint. In the next module, we will be discussing load screens and their considerations.